Look at this. Oh, it's gonna say. I didn't think he was gonna come, but there he was. So that's Viper 45, A54-011. It's an Australian PC-21. And as I could tell, they already had the landing gear down. Which tells me that I think they might be going into land. If I remember correctly. Maybe, I'm not sure. But he had his landing gear down, so... Yeah, and he still does. That's why you see that light is still going. So there he goes into the Air Force Base. Sorry. Sorry about that. Oh well, there you go.